The length of our Ankara fabric is 45 inches, and most times we find it difficult to make a full gathered skirt or flare because of the length of the fabric. In this video, I'll be showing you how I was able to achieve a 360 degrees flare from just 3 yards of fabric. I'm very sure you'll find this video very helpful. Now let's get started. I want this video to be very visible, so we're going to be cutting on the floor. I have my fabric folded into two. After folding your fabric into two as shown, go ahead to calculate your waist circumference and divide by 6.25 plus 1 inch. We'll be closing the skirt by the side, so we need ½ inch on both sides. Now go ahead to mark the figure you have on your fabric as you see me doing. After marking, connect it as shown. The next thing you need to do is to take the full length of your skirt. Do not forget to minus the waistband from the full length of your skirt. Now if you want your waistband to be 2 inches, remove 2 inches from the full length of your skirt and mark what you have. If you want your skirt to be longer, you will need to use 4 to 5 yards or even 6 yards of your Ankara print fabric. Now that you are done, go ahead to cut your skirt out. After cutting my front pattern, this is what it looks like. I placed my front pattern on the remaining fabric and it was not enough, so I'll be joining two separate fabric together to get a full skirt pattern like the front. So I'm just going to join this with my sewing machine. After joining, I will place my front skirt piece on the back and I will leave out 1 inch allowance for the zipper. And I'll go ahead to cut the back piece using the front piece as a guide. I'll also cut open the zipper allowance. Opening up the skirt, this is the fullness we could achieve. Now this part is optional, but I added pocket to my skirt. You can decide to skip this part if you do not like pockets. So if you like to add pockets to your skirt, come down by ½ inch from the top part of your skirt and make a mark. You can add your pockets. I placed 2 pieces on the back and 2 pieces on the front as shown. Following the directions of my finger, I will close my pocket with ½ inch and further sew the sides of my skirt. The next thing to do now is to add my waistband, but since I have some excess on my waist, I will make little pleats while adding the waistband. to the skirt. After joining by the sides, I tried the skirt on and I had little excess, so I will just make little pleats, then add my waistband. Then the next thing I will be doing is to add my zipper to this skirt. Was this skirt full enough? Will you be trying out this method? Please leave your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe before leaving, and also share this to your friends, maybe someone who would want to make this skirt for themselves. So I paired this beautiful skirt with this top, and this was the outcome. I'll be seeing you in my next post.